Hidden in the middle of modern Hanoi sits one of Vietnam's most important historical landmarks, the Temple of Literature. A place that feels surprisingly calm once you step through the gates and leave the chaos of the scooters behind. Originally built in 1070 during the Ly Dynasty, the Temple of Literature was dedicated to Confucius and later became Vietnam's first national university. For centuries, this was where the country's elite scholars came to study philosophy, poetry, politics, and literature. And honestly, even if you're not massively into history, it's still worth visiting just to slow down for a while. The gardens, the courtyards, ponds, and traditional Vietnamese architecture make it one of the more relaxing places in Hanoi. If you're planning to visit, the temple is usually open daily from around 8 a.m. until 5 p.m. Although hours can sometimes vary slightly depending on the season or holidays. Entry for foreign tourists is currently around 70k VND, which is less than $3. The best time to come is either early in the morning or later in the afternoon. Midday in Hanoi can get brutally hot and crowded, especially during peak tourist seasons. If you arrive early, you'll also have a better chance of getting clearer photos and quieter shots without huge tour groups walking through the frame every few seconds. One thing to remember is to dress respectfully. You don't need anything formal, but avoid super short shorts or overly revealing clothing, since this is still considered an important cultural and historical site. As you walk deeper into the complex, you'll notice stone turtles carrying large plaques on their backs. These are some of the temple's most famous features. The plaques contain the names of scholars who passed royal examinations hundreds of years ago. In Vietnamese culture, turtles symbolize wisdom, longevity, and knowledge. And that's probably what makes this place interesting. Hanoi can feel intense, traffic, noise, construction everywhere, but inside the Temple of Literature, this is where everything slows down. It's not the biggest attraction in Vietnam, and it's not flashy, but it gives you a glimpse into a side of Vietnamese history that many tourists overlook. If you found this insightful, please hit that like and subscribe button, and until next time, keep on adventuring.